Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into YouTube and confirming your payment method. Google Wallet, card, or Google Play Balance works. Once signed in, make sure the creator's live stream shows Super Chat enabled, since not all streams allow it. Check your country eligibility and the stream settings now, and have your billing info at hand so you can act fast when the donation window opens. This reduces delays and prevents losing your place if the chat moves quickly. Once you're in the live chat, tap the Super Chat or dollar icon to open the purchase flow. Next, choose a preset tier or enter a custom dollar amount and type your short message for the creator. Make sure to preview the color and how long the chat will remain highlighted, higher amounts by longer pin time and brighter colors. After reviewing, confirm the amount and message so the payment screen appears, ready for final authorization. Authorize the payment using your selected method and wait for the confirmation overlay. Once processed, your Super Chat message will appear highlighted and possibly pinned. If payment fails, first check card expiration, CVV billing address, and country eligibility versus the creator settings, then retry. If the purchase looks pending or the chat doesn't update, clear your cache, sign out and back in, or try another device. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.